everybody, today we're going to make a new episode. The episode is The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. Cute, right? This is a Mo Willems book, like last time. The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. Oh, hello, how are you? I'm fine, thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? What I've wanted forever? At least since last Tuesday? A puppy! 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 Don't worry, I'll take care of it. I promise I'll water it once a month. What? Everybody know that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. Oh, I get it. You don't want me to be happy, do you? You don't want me to take a piggyback ride on my puppy or play tennis with it. You just don't understand. I'm a puppy-loving pigeon. Ah, puppies. I want a puppy here right now. Woof. What's that? Woof, woof. Is it possible? Have my dreams come true? Woof? Ah! It's huge. The teeth, the hair, that wet nose, the slobber, the claws. I mentioned the teeth, right? I really had no idea. I've changed my mind. I want a walrus. The end. The pigeon really wants a puppy. Do you think it's a good idea? Fun fact, you know that Mo Willems has won 6 Emmy Awards for the best-selling Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus, Knuffle Bunny a Cocktail, and Knuffle Bunny 2, A Case of Mistaken Identity. Mo has also written and illustrated the Alfred and Piggy books, an early reader series. Find him online at www.mowillems.com. Some other ones are also The Pigeon Eats a Bat, Don't Let the Pigeon Stay Up Late, Ducking Likes a Cookie, Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus, The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog, and more. Get it in your nearby store. The end. See you next time. Bye 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 bye.